So in the course of remodeling, I've got these window treatments. They're called valances, and we're not going to be using them anymore. But and I was going to throw them away, but I wanted to, before I throw them away, I wanted to study them a little and find out how they're made, because in case I ever had to make something like this, they're a little unusual to me. And so I was just curious. I wanted to try to learn something about it. So these are the valances. I've got one laying face down and one face up, and they're designed and used to conceal the hardware in a drapery across a window. And so they mount usually with an L bracket right in here. And I'm just interested to see what they're made out of. I can see that's a 3/4 inch pine, and then it turns down, and that feels like 3/4 pine there. But then this other material, it's some sort of panel, or it's real thin plywood, I guess. I'm not sure. But I'm just going to open this up and see how it's made. Maybe I'll learn something. Never know. So I've got this valance here on what you could call my operating table, bed of my truck. I'm going to cut it open and see how it's made before I throw it away. It's got some foam padding and then the cloth material. I don't know what this stuff is. Never run across that before. So yeah, I'm seeing something I've never used before. I do know about that. This is some kind of plastic beading they sew in there. I've used that before, making seats for my car. It's a little different than what this is. But this material, I'm not sure what that is. It's foam, but it's got a surface on it like it's cardboard with a vinyl covering or something. I don't know what that is. Unusual to me. I hope my wife doesn't change her mind. It's a little dusty too. They did a good job putting these together. They've been using them a long while. So I'm going to a hammer now. See how this is done here. Yeah, they just tacked it together with some nails. And looks like plain staples. Then there's a different kind of nail here that's holding this fiber board. This stuff here, I don't know what this is. Actually, it's paper, I guess. I thought it was foam because it looked like foam. But now that I have it and breaking it apart, it's some kind of fiber board or cardboard or something. Interesting. I don't know where. I've never seen that for sale anywhere. Don't know where you get it. But evidently that's what they use for these things, because this one held up very well. do to it. I was just curious to see how it was made, and especially curious about this. I wasn't sure what this was. I could tell it was flexible. Thought it might have been plywood. Turns out to be some kind of paper product that I've never seen. So there, I hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. And that was the destruction of some valances. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. And that was the destruction of a window valance. The other one I'll take care of with a Sawzall probably, because now I know how they're made.